The question is, find the equation of the sphere which passes through the circle 3 times x square plus y square plus z square minus 6x plus 9y minus 12z plus 15 is equal to 0, and x square plus y square plus z square plus 4x plus 8y plus 12z minus plus 4 is equal to 0 as the great circle. This is very important. This word is very important. Great circle. That is, we know that what is great circle. The plane must passing through center of the sphere, right? Okay, now we see the solution for this problem. So this is equation of 1, that is first sphere, this is second sphere. So this is the circle I got, intersection of two spheres, I got a circle. This circle is a great circle. So I am going to find the equation of this sphere, right? So this sphere, so the center of the circle and the center of the sphere both are equal, and also the radius of a great circle and the radius of a sphere, that is also equal, right? Now we see the solution for this problem now. From the given sphere 1, so here the given is 3 times x square plus y square plus z square. So I am going to dividing by 3 on both sides. So I got a sphere 1 equation as x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 3y minus 4z plus 5 is equal to 0. Then the sphere 2 equation, there is no problem with the sphere 2 equation, so I wrote it here. Next, the circle of intersection of spheres is the plane. Already we know that. So now s1 minus s2 is equal to 0. From this I got that here x square cancel, y square cancel, z square cancel. I put minus here, so I got minus 6x. I put minus here, so I got minus 5y, and put minus here, so I got 16 minus 16 z, put minus here, I got 5 minus 4, I get 1. So plus 1 equal to 0, multiplying by minus on both sides. So I got a 6x plus 5y plus 16z minus 1 is equal to 0. So it represents the equation of plane. So the required equation of the sphere is s1 plus k times the equation of plane, right, equal to 0. So we know that equation of sphere 1, x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 3y minus 6z plus 5 plus k times our equation of plane equal to 0. Now I got that x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 3y minus 6z plus 5 plus multiplying k with this equation. So I got this. So finally here x is common, so take it as x is common. Now x square plus y square plus z square plus minus 2 plus 6k times 6k times x plus 3 plus 5k times y minus 6 plus 16k times z plus 5 minus k is equal to 0. From this we easily find the center of the sphere. So this is the center of the sphere. Already we know that how to find the equation of our sphere now. So from this I need to find the value of k. So already we know that it is a great circle. So the great circle means this center must lie on a plane. So I'm going to substituting that this is x, this is y, and this is z. So now substituting this values in this equation of plane, I got 317. So after that you substituting this value in this equation of 1. So finally I got this answer. You can try to check your answer. Find the equation of the sphere having the circle x square plus y square plus z square minus 6x plus 3y minus z minus 8 equal to 0. This is sphere, and also this is a plane 2x plus 3y minus z plus 6 is equal to 0 as the great circle. So this word is very important, great circle. Find the center and the radius, right? Great circle means this plane must passes through the center of the sphere, right? And also the radius and the center of a great circle is also a center and the radius of a sphere. So that is very important here. Right, now we see the solution for this problem now. So what is given first of all? The equation of sphere and the equation of plane. From this I'm going to write it as the required equation of sphere as equation of sphere plus k times equation of plane, right? Already we know that. So the equation of sphere passing through the given circle is x square plus y square plus z square minus 6x plus 3y minus z minus 8 plus k times 2k plus 3y minus z plus 6 is equal to 0, right? Now we see the solution now. So from this I am going to find that value x square plus y square plus z square plus I am going to write it as x is common now. So here minus 6 plus 2k into x, like that I got a 3 plus 3k times y plus minus 1 minus k times z minus z plus 6k is equal to 0. So here u equal to minus 6 plus 2k divided by 2, like that v is equal to plus 3k divided by 2, w is equal to minus 1 minus k divided by 2. So this is the value of uv/w. So I am going to find the center of the required sphere, minus u minus v minus w. So 6 minus 2k, already we know we have that, 6 minus 6 plus 2k divided by 2. So I am going to put minus, so I get minus 6 becomes plus 6, 6 minus 2k divided by 2, like that minus 3 minus 3k divided by 2, 1 plus k divided by 2. This is our required center of a sphere. Right now it is also center for a circle because of it is a great circle. Right now this center must on the plane 2x plus 3y minus z plus 6 is equal to 0. So now substitute the values. This is the value of u, this is the value of x, value of y, value of z. Now substitute it in equation of plane because of it passing through plane. So that's why I'm substituting that value. So I got 2 times 6 minus 2k by 2 plus 3 times 3 by 2 times minus 3 minus 3k minus 1 minus k by 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. I substituted the values x, y, z. So I got that value minus 14k plus 14 equal to 0. So finally I got minus 14k equal to minus 14k is equal to 1. So I got a value of k. So now substitute it in equation 1. So I finally got the equation of this sphere, x square plus y square plus z square minus 4x plus 6y minus 2z minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of a sphere. Here I need to find a center and a radius. So from this I got a value of u, v and w. So and also I got a value of d. No, so the value center is minus u minus v minus w. So put minus here. So I got 2 minus 3 1 and the radius equal to square root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. So I substituted that value. So finally I got that radius of the required sphere is 4. So this is the solution for this problem, right?